Namaskar. Yesterday we discussed about the star of Uttradam. Today we are going to discuss about the star of Tiruvonam. And this Tiruvonam is coming in the zodiac of Capricorn. Actually, this Tiruvonam star is called as a full star because from first padam to fourth padam, all padams are coming in the zodiac of Capricorn. That is the reason we are calling this Tiruvonam star as a full star. Okay. Now what we are going to say about this star and the star people, how to develop their good lifestyle on this earth by doing prayer in the field of spiritual, that we are going to see. Actually, in the field of spiritual, this Tiruvonam star people, if they worship goddess Parvati Devi, definitely they can see good upliftment in their life. Okay, why they have to pray to goddess Parvati Devi means this Tiruvonam star is basically controlled by the planet of moon. Moon is nothing but Chandran. Not only this Tiruvonam star but also Rogini and Astam. This Rogini, Astam and Tiruvonam, these three stars are basically well controlled by the planet of moon. Moon is connected with the goddess. So which goddess which goddess we have to make prayer means, and this Tiruvonam star people, they have to pray to goddess Parvati Devi, Shakti Devi. So how to perform the puja to Parvati Devi? As usual, if you have photo or statue of Parvati Devi, decorate it well, and head of the Devi, you can keep or you should keep three types of good smell of flower. What are the three types of flower means? White color and yellow color as well as red color. White color is mandatory, that is important. White color is important because moon is in the color of white. So at the time of worshipping goddess Parvati Devi, white color of good smell of flower is very important. As well as try to have yellow color flower as well as red color flower. If we keep these three color good smell of flower for puja as well as on the head of Parvati Devi, definitely you will be well blessed by goddess Saraswati, Lakshmi and Parvati. This is the reason. And white indicates Saraswati Devi, yellow indicates Lakshmi Devi, red indicates Parvati Devi. So this three combination of goddesses are fully treated as Parvati Devi. So that is the reason I am asking you to keep. Generally for Tiruvonam star people or star people, they are coming under the planet moon, and advisors, astrologers, they will say to have a white color flower generally. But some astrologers, they used to say to keep three colors of flowers, good smell of flowers. White, yellow as well as red. And do like this regarding the flowers. And keep good quality of water, clean water in front of Parvati Devi. Suppose if you don't have a statue or photo of Parvati Devi, better you can consider the pure ghee lamp as Parvati Devi. Anyhow, we are going to light the lamp by using pure ghee. That lamp can be treated as a Parvati Devi. So in front of Parvati Devi, we have kept a lamp as well as clean water, and separately we have stored three colors of beautiful colors as well as good smell of flowers separately, as well as we have kept three types of flower, white, yellow and red color flowers we have kept on the head of Parvati Devi. And now separately we have maintained these three colors of flower, good smell flowers, good smell of flowers we have maintained separately for Archana. Now regarding prasadam, what is the way means that is what prasadam must be given to Parvati Devi means first take raw rice, it must be boiled well. Now it is in the form of boiled raw rice. Take 3 tablespoons of boiled raw rice. Along with that, add 1 cup of small cup of boiled milk. That is cow milk. Boiled cow milk must be added along with this boiled raw rice. As well as add diamond sugar candy. Stir it well and keep this food as prasadam to goddess Parvati Devi. Now take 3 types of flowers. White, mandatory, white color of flower. Good smell of a white color flower is very very important for puja. So take white color, yellow color as well as red color and say the mantram Om Parvati Devi Sharanam Namaha. Like that minimum 10 times you have to chant the slogam. If you have sufficient time, it can be extended for 27 times or for 54 times or for 108 times. If you do this mantra and do this puja for 108 times, well and good. If not, what is your facility? Based on that, you can perform the puja. Definitely, you will get the blessing from Parvati Devi. Okay, what benefit can be received from Parvati Devi by puja? I mean by making puja in this manner by Tiruvonam star people. If you raise this question, Tiruvonam star people, they have to perform the puja like this. While doing the puja in this manner, definitely their mind condition will be very 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 good. Because this Tiruvonam star is in the house of Capricorn. Capricorn house is basically controlled by the planet Saturn. So definitely confusion will be there for the star people Tiruvonam. So in order to avoid the confusion stage, we cannot take any decision and we cannot perform our duty properly. I mean 100% perfectly we cannot perform our duty properly. So in order to avoid that confusion only, we are we are making puja to Parvati Devi. So at the time of doing this type of puja, mind condition of Tiruvonam star people will be good. At the time of keeping the mind condition properly, definitely so many good activities can be performed. At the time of performing their activities properly, either at home or at office, definitely their monetary benefit will also be increased. At the time of getting good monetary facility, automatically family people as well as the star people will also be good, and they can go for long travel as well as short travel very happily for good purpose and all. As well as they can give number of advices to mind disturbed people. Those are searching various ideas for different problems and all. If those problem people, if they are coming and asking idea from Tiruvonam star people, they can provide, they can give good ideas to suffering people, mind suffering people. That time good decision can be taken by the mind suffering people and they can get good good success in their life. So Tiruvonam star people, by doing this type of puja, they can become like a counselor. Even psychiatry doctors, they will also come under this category, because they are giving more counseling to different people, different mind suffering people, as well as they are giving tablet. What manner? Based on mind. So mind will be clear. Mind will be clear means our thoughts will also be good thoughts, positive thoughts. While keeping positive thought, automatically we will have a good opportunity to perform our duties 100% perfectly. So, all these benefits can be enjoyed by Tiruvonam star people. Mainly, confusion will not be there in the mind of Tiruvonam star people. Confusion is nil means so many success can be earned by Tiruvonam star people by doing this type of puja. Not only this much benefit, but also so many benefits can be enjoyed by Tiruvonam star people by doing this type of puja. And one small advice to you, that is for the new year, I have given video regarding contribution of sweet to poor people, and that video has been given in 3 languages, Malayalam, Tamil as well as English. Which language is preferable to you people? Please go through that video and please make contribution to poor people. Sweet contribution must be made to poor people in the new year. Then your life will be very good, not only in this year but also forever. Please go through that video, contribution to poor people. Such type of video I have posted already. Maybe in the month of December 31st. So go through that video and please do a sweet contribution to poor people in and around your area. As well as in order to search the details of all stars, you can go to Google and type Astro Amrita videos or Astro Amrita Sukumaran videos. Definitely you will get all stars details up to, till today I have posted 22 stars details in English, Malayalam as well as Tamil in 3 languages. About 22 stars I have explained in video. Please go through that and try to collect good information and try to perform the puja throughout your life and try to get a good life in your life. As well as a good benefit in your life you have to get by verifying or by seeing this video. As well as if you want to consult your horoscope, please make call to me for the number 9840773010. And if you like this video, please do share, like as well as comment and do subscription. Subscribe the video. While subscribing that video, press bell icon, and while pressing that bell icon, you can see the button that is option all. Press it, you will get the notification immediately. Press properly maintain the subscription, then only you will get the notification. What are the videos I used to post to you, immediately it will reach you. You need not go and go through YouTube, or you need not go to Google and type Astro Amrita like that. Directly you will get the video if you have subscribed your video for each and every stars. Then very easily you can find out. Suppose if you have missed this, then go to Google, type Astro Amrita or Astro Amrita Sukumaran. Definitely you will get all the details of all stars. And in 3 languages I have given. Which languages? 3 language means English, Malayalam and Tamil. And which languages is very preferable to you? Please, based on that, go through that video and get benefit. Thank you very much.